Hey everybody, this is Diva T4040. Today is Sunday, March the 22nd, I do believe. Yes, it is. And I am in Texas, and we're not on mandatory lockdown. Yes, I'm watching Candy Poo. I got my laptop in my kitchen up on my bar. So if you've been following me and sharing with me, then you know that I downsized. So I don't have to go into all of that. So today, well, I'm home a lot, so this quarantine is not, new to me. Not being able to just get up and go when I can or when I need to is the new part. Let me pause Candy Poo. So, um, so I've been doing a little bit every day. So I decided this was the time when I need to do things that I need to set lists, and then do something every day. So I've been sick since I had my surgery, and I've had a couple of not relapses, but issues with my surgery. And as it seems right now, if it sounds like my voice is deeper, it's because my vocal cords are swollen where they had to insert the whatever that tool is to move your innards to insert the plates on each side of my neck. So my vocal cords get swollen. So anyway, it won't be long. So I've been doing little projects or starting them, and then every day I do a little bit more till I complete them. Every time I complete a project, I will put it up or package it up if I'm sending it off or whatever the case may be. So this week, being that my sciatica flared up really bad and I'm not able to stand for long periods of time, my daughter brought me her stool on wheels, which was really an office chair she took the back off of, but it had a wide seat. So the only thing about it is it doesn't lift up or down. Once you sit in it, it goes to wherever it wants to, and that's it. So I've been rolling around. I have hardwood floors. The only room I have carpet is my bedroom. So my bedroom will be the last room that I tackle. So just really quickly, I sat on the stool. As you can see, it may not look as neat. Everything's not alphabetical order, all that, but I can reach it. And my cabinet, let me cut this light on. My pantry goes all the way back there. Now, number one, you have this much space. So you have to sit down or bend down or reach or whatever. So I have a long reaching tool. So I sat on the stool and I put my pantry in order for me to be able to reach things. Now, stuff that's up here, I'm 5'6". This pantry is 6'5". They measured it. So mostly it's storage back there. Those wine glasses I'll never use, and I'll show you why. But they closed the J.C. Penney's down here and built a standalone. So those are is Cal, no, what is his name? Oh, Father God. I can't think of who it is, and I can't see. But it's him. So I have three sets of wine glasses that are 4-piece sets. So they're cobalt blue. My house was cobalt blue and chocolate brown, my 3-bedroom. I'm now in a townhouse. So my house is now teal blue, chocolate brown, and purple. The accents of purple in my living room, and the main color is teal blue because all my furniture and my floors are chocolate brown. So, and I also got this as a gift. This lady was getting rid of it. It's a crystal covered dessert platter with a lid. So my cereals, and when I do my catering or cook meals that people pay me to, I got this from a lady that was cleaning out her storage for free. So my daughter and my niece brought me some water during this epidemic or pandemic or whatever they're calling it. And I got my other storage items. I finally got a wok. I got a nonstick wok from Walmart for under $20. It was under $10. It was like right at $9. My daughter got me a roasting pan, some water, and just storage. Those bags hold drink mixes, and of course I got my Pepsi and some more water, and then things that I can fix for quick meals because it's just myself. So I used all of Thursday to do that, and I did my cabinets up under here. I got my pots and pans over there. So everything is cleaned and wiped down. This is a clutter mess right now, but I utilize everything right here. This is my working cabinet. So this is the reason why I didn't open those wine glasses. So I have a set of wine glasses, and I have a set of the green ones from that same guy. I got my birthday Red Lobster glass, and then I collected the glasses that they had at Walmart that year. Remember those, ladies? I have the dresses and the shoes and the lipstick set, and those are my favorites. And I have my Diva glass, and I have my drink glass, and this was my favorite glass. I had a set and one broke, but I kept it because my sister gave it to me. I also have a bachelorette glass. I was getting married and I'm not. And these, I don't drink out of plastic. These are the hard plastic for people who come by, and I keep them clean. But these are what I drink out of, the hard acrylic plastic. So I have 8 for this with the ridges and 4 shorter ones. So that's why I didn't open the other pack. And see, I needed this. I found these jars at my local grocery store here in Austin. It's called H-E-B. And they have, I got them for $3.48 a piece. Ouch. So that makes 4. And I thought I had 4 and I couldn't remember where I put it. So this glass I got because I want to try the design that everybody's doing with the faces on it. And I was told that these glasses aren't good because they have that film on them, but we'll see. So I went to Pennsylvania and we went to the Joe's Crab Shack, and I kept my glass. I got these plates to do a DIY project on, and I have them stored here. So I've realized that I have to utilize storage versus decoration. So I got this from Goodwill. I may find another one, and I have some more clear plates. So this cabinet is mainly for glasses, but I ran out of space in the smaller cabinet for my plate. So I am working on resetting my house so that I can get the stuff. Being that I can't reach like I could, my crystal and my dessert platters, my cake platters still wrapped, and I've lived here a year. I got these from Walmart for $1, and when my daughter had one and I got one, when she moved she didn't want hers. So, and the reason they didn't sell them was because these were off center, and you can be able to write on this chalk or something. But I got these for $1, and I have some more back there. My one and only crock pot, and my little decoration for the kitchen. I am going to redo the walls and stuff. So this is my bar. It's cluttered right now, but once I finish the house, these items will come down. So I've been playing around with Christmas balls. I got this from Goodwill. I got this from Goodwill. I got this from Goodwill. And I got this from Goodwill. And the Christmas balls my sister gave me, or I got them from a clothing closet, food pantry type place. You give them a donation and they pretty much just sell you everything. So this is what we're working on today. I had this toilet paper before everybody went crazy. So I was grateful for that, and my daughter got me the toilet paper at the top. So I just cleaned this area because all of this stuff was up there and I couldn't reach it. So I just started pulling it down with a broom, and I need to pull out my dryer because it's not getting hot, or it's taking a really, really long time. And my brother said the coil may be twisted. So I'm going to move this stuff so that he can come and fix my dryer. So over here I got my cleaning stuff. I go every time I go to Walgreens and they have some on sale, I stock up, because it doesn't make any sense to be mad when you don't have the money to get it, and then you know that's what you use or so forth. So I have my laundry soaps, my Fabuloso, my Mr. Clean, and my bathroom spray. I got some hand soaps, extra ones back here. I got hand soap up under my sink in my bathroom. So I got my Igloo, and inside of there is some Tupperware. You know, the Betty Crocker ones you can get from Dollar Tree. Or at my store, it's the sturdier Store Right or Betty Crocker. But I got my paper towels and my toilet paper, my cleaning stuff, my wet jet, my broom that I need. And this is washable, so I'll be washing that. And I don't have a dish rack, so I try to get those every chance I get, and my extra pot holders and cup towels. And that's how we doing. I just want it to be neat. If somebody, I'm big into organization, but I'm working with what I have. So if I ever get more containers, you know, you've seen the videos, the Dollar Tree videos where they store stuff. And that's fine. I'll do it little by little, but I'll make lists, and that's all my cleaning stuff. And let me go up high. So I'm in love with the yellow fabric softener. So it does smell fresh, and it works well with other laundry soaps. So Walgreens had the Pyrex on sale for $1.99, and it had the pods, which I've never used. So it's 19 4-in-1, 19 pieces in this bag, and I got them for $1.99. So I grabbed 2 bags. They only had 4. Didn't want to be gluttonous. Plus, I didn't know how they would work. And then they had the Pyrex. I said Pyrex. The Pyrex liquid, and that's the green top. So I got 2 of those and 2 pods. So I'm good. I don't wash like that. I just have this thing about running out of laundry soap. Plus, I don't use it the way the directions say. So there's that. So right now I'm using this Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin plus Fresh Scent, and this Suavitel. I forget what this is, but it's not fabric softener. It's the stuff you add to laundry soap. I got my Pyrex crystals. These were $2.99 at Walgreens, and I had a coupon. And then I got one big thing with, and then right now I'm using the Downy and the Arm & Hammer. So I'm working on that. I have baskets that I have from the past, so that's what I'm using for storage. I'm about to go through these 1,000,001 cups I have. I am an avid collector of cups with the built-in straws, whether they say something. This I gotta keep. This is my juice cup. And most of these I get from Dollar Tree or Target or Ross or somewhere. So that's what we're working on today. This bag, you all take your t-shirts, and I'm gonna do a video on how I make grocery bags for the food pantries and donate to them. So that's a bag of t-shirts. I got to cut the bottoms and sew them, and they come out like this. See if I could do this with one hand. So you cut the sleeves off. You know, that's where the sleeves were. And then you cut that neck off, that thick part. Then cut the sleeve off the other side, and you have the handle. Then the bottom of the shirt, oh, thank you. It got hung. So the bottom of the shirt, you cut strips, and then you just tie them. Some people sew them. I don't have a sewing machine right now. Mine went to sewing machine heaven a couple of years ago, and I just never bought another one because I need one to basically talk to me. So you can sew the bottom of the t-shirt, or you can cut strips and then tie them, and you double knot them, and they will hold, because they're just grocery bags, and they're t-shirts. Just wash the t-shirts first. Don't be gross. So this is another one. Without a sewing machine, I did it by hand. Just cut the sleeves off. That's the handle. Cut the neck off and the sleeves off. You can cut strips in the bottom or sew the bottom and tie them in knots. So I'm utilizing this time that we have to be inside, or have social distancing, they call it, to get my house in order. It looks like a lot of clutter, but it's just me, and I can take my time. My living room's coming together. That's my craft area. And I just finished glittering. They're drying now, my butterflies. So I just sealed the glitter, and I made some letters. And the things that I craft, I haven't bought anything. I'm using what I have so that I can use it up, or pre-make some stuff for the future events that I want to be a part of or go to. I'm going through pictures, and I even have a clothing section right here. All of this I'm getting rid of. Well, not all of this. From here to here. And from here to there are my coats and my formal wear, because I only have one closet. So after I get rid of what's on the other side and have a sale, then this will go against that wall. And I have pictures for that wall. We decided on those pictures for my living room, and I have these mirrors that I got with the candle holder from Ross for $4.99 each. I got 2. And they look like leaves or teardrops. So that's what's going to go on the wall as soon as I can get over there. I got my lamps ready, got my coffee tables ready. A lot of stuff that I want to do to get my house together. I have to wait till we can be around folks now, but I can't do a lot of climbing and heavy lifting. So my daughter and nieces are going to come and help me get my place together. I've been in this townhouse a year, but I've been sick most of that year. As soon as I moved in is when I had a heart attack. So it's time for me to get my house together so that I can feel at peace. Right now, it's not a calming place, but a necessary. All right, this is Diva T4040. I'm going to get back to it, and then I'm going to do a pastel. I may record it and I may not. A pastel eye look with one of the girls on Instagram who has a Facebook page. So I'll link it below. You all have a blessed day. Enjoy your Sunday. Call and check on people since you can't go by there, especially those in nursing homes and hospitals. Okay, you all be blessed.